You see, a lot of people have complained that posting with the Chrome extension is actually very hard for them. That is the YouTube dashboard using the Chrome desktop site. Okay. So in this tutorial today, we're going to be using the normal YouTube app, okay, to post. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually still optimize your video using the normal YouTube applications. Okay. Guys, this is a very simple tutorial and I want you to focus on it and use it. So when you are done watching this video, it is now up to you to choose which of them you want to be posting with, whether the normal YouTube app or the Chrome app, right? So my name is Jogbo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I create videos about tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel. If this kind of video you want to watch, please feel free to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and drop your questions and contributions in the comment section. That being said, let's just dive right into this tutorial while I show you how to post using the YouTube application. Okay, let's say I want to upload a video. Okay, the first thing I will do is to go to my YouTube app, that is the mobile app. You see this plus icon right here. I'll just go ahead and click on it. Okay, so it's asking me if I want to create a post. No. So you can actually create a post like a normal write-up, like the Instagram or Facebook write-up. Okay, live. I don't want to go live. Shorts. I don't want to create shorts. So it's videos I want to upload, right? So let's assume I want to upload. Let me just go ahead and pick one particular video. Okay, for the sake of the tutorial, I'll just pick this particular video. Okay, so this is the video I want to upload. So I'll just, okay. Now, the first thing to add is the title. Okay, let me just say how to grow on YouTube. How to grow on YouTube. Okay, so now that we're done with the title, then the next thing you're supposed to do is the description. Okay, add description. So here, first of all, you have to be very precise. Okay, you need to include keywords into your description. If you observe the title I gave this video just now, how to grow on YouTube, a lot of people will come on YouTube and search for that particular topic. So that topic or that title is keywords on its own. So make sure your title has keywords that when people are searching, you can actually show in the search bar. So that's inclusive in this description segment. Okay, allow your description to explain everything that concerns your video. Okay, so that anyway, in any format anybody is searching for it, they can actually get to see it. So I can just say how to grow fast on YouTube. I can just go ahead and say, do you want to grow fast on YouTube? I'll space it as, do you want to grow your YouTube channel? You want to grow your YouTube channel? Okay. In this tutorial or in this video, I have a detailed step-by-step tutorial to help you get started. So I have hashtags. I can just say hashtag SEO, hashtag YouTube growth, hashtag tutorials. So all the hashtags you'll be adding here should be related to your niche. Okay, so this is it. Are you saying it? Then if you have a video links, maybe you have a video that is related to this, or if you have a playlist, like what I do for mine, I always add my description, my playlist to my description of every video I post. Okay, so you can actually add your video links and your playlist. This place is very long. You can do whatever you want with this description. So now that we're done, we'll just go back. Okay, so that's it for title and description. And then the next thing you're going to check is this visibility. Okay, so this is where a lot of new YouTubers make mistakes. When you're posting, you don't post directly to public, okay, because you don't give YouTube time to actually go through that video. Okay, I have a video that I actually explain in details how to post your videos. It's in my playlist, and I'll be attaching it to this video description as well. Okay, so guys, when you're posting, you leave it in unlisted, okay, so that YouTube will have time to actually go through your videos. Okay, you leave it in unlisted. If you already have a date and time, you can actually use the schedule option. Okay, and if you're using schedule, and if you know it's a very catchy topic, you can set it as premium. This way, your video will be advertised even before it comes live. Okay, maybe you say schedule it for like tomorrow. Okay, and then you already have a thumbnail for it. YouTube will start advertising that video to a lot of audience that are interested in that particular kind of content. So that's for that, guys. Don't always choose public. Please give YouTube time so that they can go through your content and know what your video is all about, the kind of audience that they're going to send it out to. Do you understand? So your content will not be lost in the sea of content. Because by the time YouTube has settled down to check all of the data that is involved in your video, immediately your video goes live, you will see your video having massive views in just a few hours. So that's it, guys. Okay, so because I clicked on schedule, it's showing scheduled. Let's leave it back in unlisted, okay? So yeah, are you seeing the visibility unlisted? So this audience, please ensure you set it up. These are the things that we do in the normal YouTube dashboard, okay? Although not all of them is here, I'll soon let you know the ones that are not here. And then you choose which you prefer to upload your videos, okay? So this one, always make it as no, it's not made for kids. Unless if you are doing kids content, then you can say yes. But if you know you are doing content that adults can watch, then please say no, it's not meant for kids. And then this age restriction, please don't put any restriction unless your content is for people under the age of 18. Okay? So say no, don't restrict my videos to viewers over 18. That means they are adults, you can actually watch your videos, okay? Else, your YouTube videos will not be going far because YouTube will just restrict it to kids mostly, okay? So now that we're done, this location, I don't normally do this. I don't normally touch it, but sometimes I touch it for some of my videos. But if you want to add the location of your video, you can go ahead and just search for the place where you created the video, okay? So that's for that. Then the next thing is the playlist. Okay, so as you can see here, I have 2 playlists on my channel. So if it was live stream, I'll add it there. If it was YouTube growth, I'll still add it. So for this tutorial is YouTube growth, okay? Click on done. All right. And now, you say allow video and audio remixing. Yes, please always allow this because you are growing your channel and this is like free advertisement. Many other people can actually trim from your video using the remix button. Either they use the video or they use your voice, okay? So yes, this is free advert because YouTube will always put it as it was cut from your video. They will always involve your name. They will always involve your name in all of the process. Okay, so that's for that. Then this paid promotion. If you already have paid promotion like brand deals, that's when you use this paid promotion. So you can actually add them here. Okay, for me, I don't have that on this channel yet. Then you see this altered content. Click on this place. When on the following, describe your content. Like makes a real person appear to say or do something they didn't do or say. Alters footage of a real event or place. Generates a realistic looking thing that didn't actually occur. For me, no. This is my original content. It doesn't concern anything that has to do with AI or any altered form of content. So I'll just say no. For you, if it does, you can say yes. But if it doesn't, if it's your normal video, just say no. Okay? So now that we're done with that, this is comment section. You can keep the comments on. Okay? There are some comments that can actually harm your channel. So that's where comment moderation comes in. Ensure you set it on basic. Some people put it on strict. There are some kind of content, comments rather, that you cannot drop on their channel. Okay? So some people put it on strict. Some people put it on hold all. That means you cannot comment at all. Then if you put it on this, don't hold any comments. It will be really bad because there are some persons that come to your comment section just to get to your subscribers. They can even be dropping links or verified links. So you need to put them in check. Okay? That's where this comment moderation comes in. So now, the next thing is asking for is upload. I know you'll be wondering, when do I add thumbnail? You see this picture logo that has plus sign on it by your top left corner. That's where you add your thumbnail, okay? Let's just click on it and I'll just pick a random thumbnail. Let me just pick a random thumbnail from my... Let me use this thumbnail I used before from my gallery. I'll select it. Are you seeing it? So this picture, or this video rather, is ready. Okay, but then there's something missing here. There's no slots where you can actually publish to your subscribers. If you are somebody that has a lot of audience and the audience you have, they actually love your content, you will not be able to notify them and it's not showing their subscription feed. So that one is not here. That one can be found inside the YouTube dashboard. Okay, so guys, immediately you are done with all of this, you can now click upload. Okay, so this is it. And in the description of this video, I'll be linking the other upload formats that I use the YouTube Chrome. Okay, so I can pick whichever one best suits your taste. So guys, this is it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for returning to my channel and always watching my videos. All my returning subscribers, and if it's your first time, please subscribe, like this video, drop your comments, questions and contributions, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.